Hello and welcome back to AI News Connect. I'm Marvin, here to bring you the latest updates, breakthroughs, and debates shaping the world of artificial intelligence. Today's episode is all about the future of AI education in the United States, following a historic executive order signed just days ago that could transform how the next generation learns about and shapes artificial intelligence. On April 23, 2025, President Donald Trump signed a sweeping executive order titled Advancing Artificial Intelligence Education for American Youth. This move signals perhaps the biggest push yet to embed AI literacy and skills training into the heart of American education, aiming to prepare students, not just for today's jobs, but for the AI-driven economy of tomorrow. So what exactly does this executive order contain? And why is it making headlines across the education and tech sectors? First, let's break down the key points of the order. The main goal is to ensure all American learners, especially young people, have opportunities to understand, use, and ultimately create the next generation of AI technology. If you're a parent, student, or educator, that means more chances to see artificial intelligence in your classroom or training programs, and more resources to help you engage with this rapidly evolving technology. To achieve this, President Trump's order calls on a powerful coalition of federal agencies to collaborate. The Department of Education, the National Science Foundation, and the Department of Labor have all been tasked with making AI education accessible at every level. Specifically, the order instructs these agencies to design curricula, offer professional development for teachers, and ensure that even high school students have access to advanced AI courses and certification programs. But the order doesn't stop there. One of its most ambitious features is the creation of a brand new White House task force on AI education. This group, made up of leaders across federal agencies, will work to forge partnerships with private companies, nonprofits, and philanthropies, bringing together resources and expertise to develop and distribute AI learning materials online. In other words, they're hoping to make sure that every young person, no matter where they live, can access high-quality AI education. And for those who thrive on a little competition, listen to this. The task force will launch a presidential AI challenge, recognizing innovative student and educator projects and spotlighting those making outstanding strides in AI learning. Let's take a step back. Why is the US government making such a big move on AI education now? The answer is straightforward. AI is quickly becoming a foundational technology in every industry, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and entertainment. With generative AI, autonomous agents, multimodal platforms, and AI-driven tools reshaping our professional and personal lives at unprecedented speed, workforce experts warn that millions of today's jobs will be fundamentally transformed or even disappear in the coming years. AI literacy isn't just about learning to code. It's about understanding algorithms, thinking critically about how AI tools are designed and used, and being able to ask and answer tough questions about data privacy, ethics, and the social impacts of intelligent machines. This order recognizes those challenges explicitly, emphasizing that youth need the skills and understanding necessary to use and create the next generation of AI technology. Although the executive order is already being praised by many education and technology leaders, some have raised concerns and highlighted the need for equitable implementation. For instance, if training materials and advanced courses are only available online, how will students in under-resourced school districts or rural communities access them? Ensuring that every student has both the tools and support they need will be a key challenge as the order moves from theory to practice. Let's not forget the role of educators. Teachers will receive support and professional development opportunities to help them deliver AI-related curricula confidently and effectively. With the support of the National Science Foundation and other agencies, teachers across the country will soon have access to new lesson plans, instructional resources, and perhaps even AI-powered teaching assistants to enhance their classrooms. In summary, this executive order is a major step toward preparing American students for a future where AI isn't just an app or a headline. It's a core skill. Whether students go on to become AI researchers, informed users, or responsible policymakers, this is about empowering the next generation to shape the future of one of the world's most powerful technologies. What do you think about the new executive order? Will it help close the AI skills gap? Or are there more challenges on the horizon? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear your perspective. If you found today's breakdown valuable, be sure to subscribe to AI News Connect. Don't forget to share this video and turn on notifications so you never miss another update about the technology shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.